Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make rainbow popsicles. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your workspace for a fun and colorful project. This simple DIY takes about 1 hour of active preparation, plus freezing time. You will create a delightful, layered treat that is perfect for any occasion. Get ready to impress everyone with these vibrant, homemade popsicles that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Let's get started on this sweet adventure. Now, let's prepare your colors. Select 6 different fruit juices, like grape, blueberry, green apple, orange, pineapple, and cherry, to ensure a beautiful spectrum. Pour each juice into its own small bowl. If you want to make your colors even more vivid, add a few drops of food coloring to each bowl and stir gently. This step ensures your rainbow popsicles will have truly eye-catching layers, making them extra special. Next, it's time to layer and freeze your popsicles. Pour approximately 1/4 inch of your first color into each popsicle mold. Place the molds in the freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until that layer is firm enough to support the next. Repeat this process with each of your 6 colors, carefully adding a new layer only after the previous one has set. This patience ensures distinct, beautiful rainbow stripes in every popsicle. Finally, let your popsicles fully freeze for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure they are completely solid. When you are ready to enjoy them, run a little warm water over the outside of the molds for a few seconds. This helps them slide out easily. Once frozen, gently remove your beautiful rainbow popsicles from their molds. They are perfect for a hot day or a fun treat. Remember to check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade, colorful creations with friends and family, or keep them all to yourself. These vibrant treats are sure to bring smiles and a burst of flavor to any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.